Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So in the previous video, we painted the frame and I primed the part that the seat is bolted onto. I have actually already painted that part, so now we are going to finish the steps. You know, the part that you step on. We're going to finish the steps and then hopefully we'll install them in this video. So let's get started. Now there's a little bit of a mess that I'm going to have to clean up because I'm going to need some of these tools. Our gate openers, both of them actually, recently went out. So they took some of my tools out of my tool trailer and kind of mixed them up. So let me get that straightened out. You have got to be kidding me. My tool trailer has been knocked over along with all the sockets. Alright, so it didn't work out to do exactly what I wanted to do today, but as you can see right here, I got the part where the seat lays. This part will allow the seat to tilt up and down. As you can see, I've got it fully painted and the results are fantastic. And this part is what the seat latches onto. And as you can see, that is very shiny as well. So we're going to let these sit overnight. And then tomorrow, we're going to install them on the wheel horse. And then we will finally have a seat again. Alright guys, so it's the next day. And these parts have had time to fully dry. They came out amazing. Almost a mirror finish. I made sure to go heavy on the clear stuff this time. And the results really show. So that's how I'm going to paint the hood. Yeah, I know that ain't too pretty looking, but you won't see it from that angle. This is going to be facing this way. All right, let's bring the wheel horse over here, install the seat, and that's probably going to do it for today. Now this part's going to be a little difficult. Alright, so it's coming along here. Just check this out. That looks so good. I just wish the metal right here was in better condition, but that rust was just eating right through it. But still in all, it looks incredible. I can't wait to put the stickers on there. I'm not going to do that until the entire thing is complete. But it looks absolutely incredible. Now we just need to get the steps and the hood completed, along with the deck, this part, and the belt tensioner. And the entire wheel horse will be done. Only thing left to do would be the engine after that. Alright, so it is the next day. As you can hear probably, it's very windy right now. All the chairs and bicycles are blown down. So needless to say, I will not be painting today. But that doesn't mean I can't start stripping the paint of the old parts though. So today, I want to remove the paint on the steps. Alright, so I have the paint thinner on these parts. I sanded this part down with the disc, but after that I just realized that it was gonna take too long to do it that way. So I just put some paint thinner on it, and in about 30 minutes, or 11:10, it's 10:41 right now, we will scrape this off with the metal wire wheel brush, which will be a lot easier with paint thinner on there. And after that, probably tomorrow, if it's not this windy, we'll paint them. There's no way we can paint today. It's just way too windy. Alright, so it is the next day, Sunday. Wind is pretty good today. If I have enough time today, I'm probably going to paint this part, or prime it anyway. Well, I might have time to paint it too, because I think it's like 11 o'clock. You have to let the primer dry for 4 hours. By the time 3 o'clock comes, I should be able to just color it and then clear coat it. I'll probably get this one finished today, but I've still got a lot more work to do on this one. Alright, so finally, we have the steps ready to be painted. Finally. Now for the easy part. So I'm going to get this stuff degreased. We're going to set it over there on the wood. And then we'll bring out the primer and start priming it. Alright, so now while we wait for the primer to dry, we're going to go over here and we're going to spray down the deck. Because I plan to get this thing restored as well. I mean, there's no reason not to. Plus, it still works perfectly fine. I just sprayed this down with a pressure washer, and look at that. That looks so much better. You see how I was spraying that grease off of there? That was so satisfying to watch. Alright, so these things are completely done. I'm going to let them sit overnight, and then tomorrow we will install them on the wheel horse. Alright, so we have completed the color and the clear on this piece. This connects the hood and the belt tensioner, and the results are fantastic. I mean, look at that. That looks so good. So we're going to let that dry overnight. I put the steps up under the barn for the night, and in the next video, we will install these parts, and we will also start working on the deck and the belt tensioner. We only have 3 more parts left on the wheel horse, guys. The deck, the belt tensioner, and the hood. But we're going to do these 2 in the next video, and then the hood will have its own video. So I hope you guys are looking forward to it. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. If you're stopping by for the first time, and you wish to follow the channel and you don't want to miss a new video on the wheel horse restoration project, please subscribe and ring the bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.